Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now, today we are going to start with the storyboard given on page number 23. So, this storyboard will make you clear about two types of healthcare facilities given to the people. That means private and public, private hospitals and public hospitals. Which what all difference you will see in the private and the public hospitals? After reading this story, you will definitely know about that. Now, the cost of a cure. Aman and Ranjan are good friends. Who are good friends? Aman and Ranjan.
Ranjan.
Yes. While Ranjan comes from a well-to-do family, that means Ranjan belongs to well-to-do means rich family. Aman's parents have to struggle to make ends meet, whereas Aman's parents are what? Not so much rich, and
Well,
they had to struggle a lot for their livelihood. So both are the friends, Aman and Ranjan. Ranjan is from the rich family, whereas Aman is from the poor background. Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the story starts. Mute yourself, everyone. If you want to ask anything, you can unmute yourself, raise your hands, and then unmute yourself. But when I am teaching, please mute yourself. जब मैं पूछती हूँ तब आप रिस्पॉन्स दीजिए ओके नाउ हाय अमन गुड टू सी यू बैक हाउ यू हैव बीन नाउ दे आर मीटिंग they are coming to school they are meeting now after a long time so both the friends here hi Aman that is Ranjan is waving the hands to Aman to and he's seeing very much happy to see the friend back I had a viral fever and had to go to the hospital what Aman is saying that he was having a fever and he had to go to the hospital. Oh, me too. I just got back to school on Monday. My daddy took me see the doctor at New Hospital in Kingsway. It was very exciting. Now both the friends were having means were not feeling well, and they both had to go to the hospital. But the difference is, this Aman is also going to hospital and Ranjan is also going to hospital. But the hospitals are two different hospitals. The hospital in which Ranjan is going had gone was Kingsway Hospital, Kingsway New Hospital. Clear? Now the building. Now Ranjan is describing about the hospital he visited when he was not feeling well. अब रंजन क्या है? He is from the rich background, अच्छी well-to-do family है इनकी. अब he is explaining about the building, about the hospital he visited. Yes, Bhumika, want to speak anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bhumika.
Ma'am, if we are joining again in the class, then ma'am, we have to again write a present in the chat box.
नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा नहीं लिखो तो इट्स ओके अदरवाइज नो प्रॉब्लम नाम है ना आपका एक बार Now the building looked so posh. Now the description of building is being given by Ranjan when he had visited the hospital, a five-star hotel. Now it was looked as if it was a five-star hotel. Now what description Ranjan is giving? That he has visited a hospital which looked very posh. Posh means बहुत अच्छा बड़ा दिख रहा था and it looked as if they were in the five-star hotel and not in the hospital. Daddy said that it was because it was a private hospital and this hospital was very big. It was like a five-star hotel because it was a private hospital with the best of the facilities. So private hospital was with the best of the facilities plus it was having a big building. Now here again further, Ranjan is saying that daddy had to pay rupees 500 at the reception counter itself. Now, reception counter itself, daddy has to pay, that Ranjan's father has to pay how much rupees?
500.
Yes,
500.
500 at
Rupees
the
500.
yes, rupees 500 at the reception. Before we even met a doctor means डॉक्टर से मिले बिना ही पहले ही उनको 500 rupees they had to give
morning, ma'am.
reception counter. Clear? Then there was nice music playing and everything was really clean and shiny. So this is the condition in the private hospital, that everything is very nice there. And here which Ranjan has visited, their nice music was also playing in the hospital, and it was soothing the ears. और क्या था, वो clean and shiny. The hospital was very clean and shiny. The doctor asked for me many tests, but everyone was so friendly. The lady who took my blood for testing told me so many jokes, and I forgot to feel the pain. That means the doctor asked Ranjan for many tests, and all of the staff of the hospital staff was very friendly. Even the nurse who was taking the blood for sample was also telling the jokes and all, was and the Ranjan was enjoying that, and he even forgot the feel of pain of an injection. So this was the attitude of the workers of the private hospitals also, means they are very friendly in nature. Now after the test results came, we went back to the doctor. He looked through them and said everything was fine. Now after having the test result was there, and what happened? The doctor had said that everything was fine and it was only a viral fever. He prescribed some medicine and rest. So what was the prescription of the doctor? Some medicines and a rest. So young man, this pink pill should be taken 3 times a day. Pink pill, pink medicine was taken to the now description of the medicine is being given nicely by the doctor in very good manner. And the white tablet once before bedtime. Bedtime से पहले एक ये white tablet लेनी. That's for the body ache. And the white tablet is for body ache. Means each and every description about even the medicine is being given to the patient in the private hospital. And this one is a syrup. Don't worry, it's tasty. Now even the syrup which is being provided in the private hospital to the patient is very tasty. Now, thank you, doctor. I feel better already. Now, with the attitudes of the workers, of the doctors, and seeing such a good treatment over there, already means Ranjan has started feeling better. Means सब कुछ देखने के बाद उसको पहले से ही better feel होने लग गया था. Now you see, I have been dying to tell you all about it. But what about you? Which hospital did you go? Now Ranjan is saying that I was very much eager to tell you about all these things. Now you can tell me which hospital you visited when you were not feeling better. Now Ranjan is asking to whom? The friend. Friend name is?
Aman. Aman.
Yes, good.
I'm Aman.
Yes. It wasn't as nice as yours at all. Now Aman is saying that hospital. Aman, the hospital which Aman visited was not as nice as Ranjan has described about his hospital. Now first Abba didn't want to take me because he said that it would be too much time. Now first of all, Abba means father. Aman's father did not wanted Aman to take to the hospital because taking Aman to hospital will consume much time. बहुत ज़्यादा time वहाँ पर लगेगा. Why? Because they had to stand in big queue. बहुत बड़ी line में खड़ा होना पड़ता है वहाँ पर. That happens in to Ranjan in the hospital. Ranjan के साथ ऐसा हुआ था?
No, ma'am.
No, because Ranjan directly went to the reception, paid the fees, and started the treatment there. Now it is really did, and it really did. We went to a big government hospital. Now Aman went to a government hospital. We had to wait in a long queue at OPD counter. Now Aman had to wait for where? Wait in a long
OPD counter.
OPD.
Counter.
What is OPD?
OPD counter.
What is OPD? Outpatient department.
Operation theater.
No. OPD means outpatient department. Outpatient department means these patients are not admitted in the hospital. जो गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में ऑलरेडी एडमिटेड है वो तो अंदर है, ऑलरेडी एडमिटेड है. ये जस्ट बाहर से आए हैं ट्रीटमेंट लेने के लिए. सो दे आर आउट पेशेंट डिपार्टमेंट। क्लियर? इनको पहले से ही एडमिट नहीं किया गया है हॉस्पिटल में, इनको पहले से ही एडमिट नहीं किया गया है, ये अब बीमार पड़े हैं, अब ये ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आए हैं बाहर से, देन दे आर कॉल्ड एज आउट पेशेंट डिपार्टमेंट काउंटर। क्लियर? सो दे हैड टू फर्स्ट stand in a long queue at the OPD counter, outpatient department counter. Then I was feeling so sick that I had to lean on a bar all the time. So as they had to wait for the long time, so he was feeling more sick and he has to lean in on the father's lap. Now when our turn came, Aman is saying when the turn came, the doctor examined and asked for the blood test. Then we had to go and stand in another long queue. People were crowding around it and testing room too. That means everywhere, wherever Aman went in the government hospital, there was a lot of crowd over there. And they had to stand for the long queue, wasting the time. We got a test result after 3 days. Now the result also came, the result of test also came after 3 days and went back to the hospital. There was a different doctor that day. And after 3 days, when they went back to the hospital, a different doctor was there in the hospital. So now you understand what is the difference between a government and a private hospital? The private hospital,
Yes, ma'am.
private hospital was very shiny, very clean, and the attitude of the workers was also very nice. Whereas here in government hospital, they have to stand, waste their time standing in a long queue. The result of the test also takes time, and when they go back for the second time to the hospital, another doctor is there. Now show me his OPD card and the test result quickly, please. Now doctor is asking, as the doctor is new, again he is asking for the OPD card. Now what is OPD? Which card?
Ma'am, outpatient department.
Yes. Yes.
Department.
हाँ, आउट पेशेंट, ये ऑपरेशन थिएटर नहीं है बेटा, ये आउट पेशेंट डिपार्टमेंट कार्ड है. एंड द टेस्ट रिजल्ट was asked by the doctor. He seems to be suffering from a bout of viral fever. Nothing to worry about. All we need is this one fever reducing medicine. Now, one fever reducing medicine was also only provided to this Aman. My hospital was nice, but they gave me many medicines and the whole thing cost quite a lot. अब इसका हॉस्पिटल में क्या था, बहुत सारी मेडिसिन फिर और भी दी गई और उसका कॉस्ट भी बहुत सारा हुआ. ओ माय ट्रीटमेंट डिड नॉट कॉस्ट मच. और इसका जो ट्रीटमेंट था, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल का जो ट्रीटमेंट था, वो ज्यादा कॉस्ट नहीं आया. क्लियर? ओनली वन मेडिसिन वॉज गिवन टू अमन. Yes or no? And that also,
Yes, ma'am.
and that cost was also very less. Whereas Ranjan was given many medicine and the cost was also very high. So another difference between this is that private hospital is very costly, whereas government hospital is cheap. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will read in detail about these private and public healthcare services. Now about public and private healthcare services in detail you will read about these. Now from the first story you must have understood that you can roughly divide up various health facilities into two categories. दो categories में private and public. Private and public healthcare. Public means government healthcare centers.
Government hospital.
Hospitals, and private means opened by one particular
Private hospital.
community को, particular community या particular doctor को open करता है, that is a private hospital or private health facilities. Now public health services, switch off your mic please. Okay, now public health services is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by government. Underline this. What is public health service? A public health service is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. So this is the definition of public health service. They are linked together so that they cover both rural and urban areas and can also provide treatment to all kinds of problems, from common illness to special services. So these health centers and hospitals, both which are run by the government, they cover what? They cover rural areas also and urban areas. Means गांव में भी ये हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं, हेल्थ सेंटर्स होते हैं और टाउन्स में भी होते हैं. क्लियर? एंड दे ट्रीट ऑल द इलनेस. हर तरीके की वो ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं. At the village level, there are health centers where there is usually a nurse and a village health worker. Village level में means village में, गांव में एक health center होता है and there the nurse is there and a worker is there. So at health center, the nurse and a worker is there to look after or to give the treatment to the patient in the village. Clear? They are trained in
Yes, ma'am.
they are trained in dealing with the common illness. Common illness. कॉमन इलनेस होते हैं जैसे बुखार आ गया, जुकाम हो गया, तो इस टाइप से ही कॉमन इलनेस जो ये लोग यहाँ पर ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं इसका. एंड दे आर वर्किंग अंडर द सुपरविजन ऑफ डॉक्टर्स ऑफ प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर्स. शॉर्ट फॉर्म इट इज PHC. So these nurses and workers at the village level, they are working under whom? They are working under the supervision of doctors. They are working under the supervision of doctors at the primary health center. Clear? Such centers cover many villages in the rural areas. That means बहुत सारे villages जहाँ पर ये health centers हैं, वो उनके सारे जो nurses और workers हैं, वो they are under the supervision of doctors of the primary health centers. And at the district level, that is district hospital is there, provinces hospital is also there, towns hospitals are there, that also supervises all the health centers. In town also the hospitals are there at the district level and they also supervises the health centers in the villages. Large cities have many government hospitals. और बड़े बड़े शहर होते हैं उनमें government hospitals होते हैं बड़े बड़े, such as one where Aman was taken and also specialized government hospitals such as one in Hakim Sheikh story. You have read about Hakim Sheikh story. Hakim Sheikh was also taken to the government hospitals. From one hospital to another hospital he was being taken when the proper treatment was not given or he was not admitted in any of the government hospitals. Finally, Hakim Sheikh was taken to the private hospital only. So which hospital Aman and Hakim Sheikh was taken previously? They were taken to the
Government hospital.
government hospital.
Government hospital.
Public hospital.
Yes. Now the health services is called public. Now these type of health services is called public for many reasons. In order to fulfill its commitment of providing healthcare to all citizens, the government has established these hospitals and health centers. So why they have been called public? Because government has promised for the healthcare centers to provide proper health treatment to all the people, and that is why government has opened these public healthcare centers for the people. That is why they are called as public. Means they are common healthcare centers. कोई भी वहां पर जा सकता है. Means mostly poor people, those who are not able to afford the high cost of private hospital, they usually visit these government hospitals. Also, the resources needed to run these services are obtained from the money that we, the public, pay to the government as taxes. So we, whatever we pay as a tax to the government, all that is, all those money is used for the benefit of people only. लोगों से जो टैक्स जमा करती है, टैक्स के रूप में जो मनी लेती है गवर्नमेंट, वो गवर्नमेंट मनी किसके लिए यूज करती है? वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल ओनली. Like one of the welfare of the people is for opening the health centers and all. So the government uses this tax money to open these health centers and all, and for other reasons also these tax money is used. Now hence such facilities are meant for everyone, और इसीलिए लोगों का पैसा यूज होता है ये ओपन करने के लिए. That is why each and every public can access these facilities. हर कोई ये facility यूज कर सकता है. One of the most important aspect of public health system is that it is meant to provide quality healthcare services either free or at low cost. So one of the important feature of this public healthcare system is दे प्रोवाइड क्वालिटी हेल्थ सर्विसेज, अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट देते हैं, प्लस द हेल्थ कॉस्ट इज ऑल्सो आइदर फ्री और लो कॉस्ट, या तो कम पैसे में यहाँ पर ट्रीटमेंट मिल जाता है और अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स में भी. Another important function of public health is to take action to prevent the spread of diseases such as TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, chikungunya, etc. Now another function. First function of government hospital is to provide free or the low cost treatment to the people. Clear? Another is to prevent the spread of diseases. एक और काम है गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स का कि क्या करना, रोकना. कैसी डिजीजेस का रोकथाम करना, टीबी, मलेरिया, जॉइंडिस, कोलेरा, डायरिया, चिकनगुनिया, दीज आर द कंटेजियस डिजीजेस जो स्प्रेड होती हैं, उनका स्प्रेड नहीं हो, इसलिए वो गवर्नमेंट कुछ स्टेप्स लेती है टू प्रिवेंट दीज डिजीजेस टू स्प्रेड फर्दर. क्लियर दिस मच? This is another function.
Yes, ma'am.
This has to be this has to be organized by the government with the participation of the people. So many steps are being taken by the government to prevent people from spreading these diseases. Programs are being organized with the help of whom? With the help of people. लोगों के साथ लेकर के, लोगों की हेल्प से ये गवर्नमेंट organize करके, so that we can prevent these types of diseases. For example, campaigns to see mosquito do not breed in water coolers, rooftops, etc. has to be done for the houses in the area. लोगों को aware करती है government, how? Through the campaigns and all, so that people are made aware that the mosquitoes do not breed in water coolers. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा mosquitoes नहीं हो, और वो waters खाली करने के लिए बोलती हैं कि सेट वाटर नहीं रखें कहीं भी, ठीक है ना, वाटर कलेक्ट करके कहीं भी नहीं रखें, बिकॉज इट इज द होम फॉर मॉस्किटो टू ब्रीड. ज्यादा से ज्यादा मॉस्किटो वहां पर स्प्रेड होते हैं, ज्यादा से ज्यादा पैदा हो जाते हैं वहां पर मॉस्किटोज, एंड इट विल बी वेरी मच difficult because it helps in the spread of malaria and all. So recall the case of Hakim Sheikh. Would you like to know what the court said in this case, Hakim Sheikh? Wait, let me explain this, Nana. You are asking me to explain page number 21. Page number 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 21 was not explained by me, students.
No, ma'am.
Okay, page number 21. First, let me explain this, then afterwards I am going to again continue with this page number 21. Clear?
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, recall the case of Hakim Sheikh. It is the primary duty of the government. According to the constitution, it is the primary duty. Primary duty means first and foremost duty of the government to ensure the welfare of the people. लोगों की भलाई करना, that is the most, लोगों के लिए अच्छा काम करना, that is the most important part of the government, and to provide healthcare facilities to all. So the government must safeguard the right to life. Government must safeguard the right to life of every person. Means every person has the right to life. सबको जीने का अधिकार है. So government must safeguard this right by providing good treatment facilities, healthcare facilities to all the people. अगर वो healthcare facilities provide करेंगी, अच्छी से अच्छे government healthcare facilities provide करेगी, then only we will be saved from many diseases. Clear? So the court said the difficulty that Hakim Sheikh had to face could have cost him his life. जो difficulty हाकिम शेख ने फेस किया, उससे क्या हो सकता था, हाकिम शेख की जान भी जा सकती थी, बिकॉज एक जगह से दूसरी जगह उसको प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट नहीं मिल पा रहा था, और अगर वो टाइमली प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट करके उसको टाइमली ट्रीटमेंट नहीं दिया जाता, तो माइट बी पॉसिबल दैट हाकिम शेख वुड हैव बीन डाइड. So if a hospital cannot provide timely medical treatment to a person, it means that this protection of life is not being given. अगर कोई hospital timely medical treatment नहीं देता है, that means the protection of the life is not being given by that hospital. So it is the foremost duty, primary duty of a hospital, of a healthcare center, to provide the treatment to the person, to save the life. The court also said that it was a duty of the government to provide necessary health care services, including treatment in emergency situation. So, in emergency situation, the hospitals are asked to provide, the government hospitals are asked to provide the health services to the people, proper treatment to the people. Therefore, Hakim Sheikh was denied treatment at various government hospitals. Hakim Sheikh was denied. Denied means refused. Refused किया गया था उसको government hospitals में काफी. So Hakim Sheikh was Hakim Sheikh was refused in many government hospitals to give him. So therefore the court asked the state government. Now those government hospitals were under the state only. So state was asked to give the money that he spent on the treatment. So state को ये treatment में जो भी पैसा लगा, वो treatment में पैसा जो भी लगा, वो हाकिम शेख को दिया जाए by the government. So this was the decision given by the court. Clear this much, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will continue with these private health facilities, and then in our next class, I will first explain that page number 21, okay? Because it is the continuation, ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए the difference, okay? This is the wide.
Okay, ma'am.
There is a wide range of private health facilities that exist in our country. So wide range of private health facilities. बहुत सारी private health facilities भी हमारी country में available है. A large number of doctors run their own private clinics. Now who run these private health facilities? Number of doctors. Many number of doctors
Number of doctors.
run their private clinics. अपनी अपनी प्राइवेट क्लिनिक खोल के बैठे हैं ये लोग डॉक्टर्स टू गिव द बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट टू द पीपल. नाउ इन द रूरल एरियाज वन फाइंड रजिस्टर्ड मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर्स. रूरल एरियाज में कौन है? RMPs. फुल फॉर्म रजिस्टर्ड मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर्स हैं रूरल में. अर्बन एरियाज हैव अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ डॉक्टर्स, मेनी ऑफ देम प्रोवाइडिंग स्पेशलाइज्ड सर्विसेज. नाउ देयर आर हॉस्पिटल्स एंड नर्सिंग होम्स that are privately owned. Means there are also hospitals and nursing homes which are privately owned, means which are owned by particular doctor or particular community of the people. कोई एक community of the people या कोई particular doctor ये nursing homes खोल लेते हैं to provide the private facilities treatment. There are many laboratories that do tests and offer special facilities such as X-ray, ultrasound, etc. And there are also shops from where we can buy medicines. So private healthcare centers में medicines or these facilities are also available. As the name suggests, private health facilities are owned or controlled, are not owned or controlled by the government. So these private healthcare centers are not under the control of the government. जिनको government के अंडर ये work नहीं करती है. They are under, they are means for the private facilities only, and they are owned by the private people only. That means particular doctor or particular community, they open these facilities, private facilities, nursing homes and all. Unlike the public health services, in private facilities, patient have to pay a lot of money for every service they use. अब यहाँ पर payment is more. For each and every facility which is provided in the private hospital, उनके लिए उनको पैसा देना पड़ता है. So there the cost of treatment in the private hospital is very high. Today, the presence of private facilities can be seen all around. In fact, now there are large companies that run hospitals, and some are engaged in manufacturing and selling medicines. Medical shops are found in every corner of the country. Now, these few nursing homes, private nursing homes or private hospitals and all, they have also given the facility of what? selling the medicines also. वो अपने हॉस्पिटल्स में ही एक शॉप, मेडिकल शॉप वगैरह खोल देते हैं, वहीं से उनको मेडिसिन जो ट्रीटमेंट ले रहे हैं वहाँ प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में, वहीं से उनको मेडिसिन भी मिलती है. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. हेलो
Yes, ma'am.
Garvit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I end up here only today. Tomorrow we will continue with this lesson. With first, first I will explain page number 21. Then we will continue with the lesson and the question answers. Okay. So that's all for today.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.